Don't order a drone from AliExpress until you watch this video. Please watch until the end because today I'm counting down the top 5 best drones on AliExpress for 2026. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which drone offers the best overall value for your money. Whether you're a beginner, a travel enthusiast, or someone looking to capture aerial photos and videos without spending a fortune, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right drone without the guesswork. I'll cover the key features, real-world performance, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Lenovo Z908 Pro Max. The Lenovo Z908 Pro Max is an affordable foldable drone designed for beginners who want modern features and a budget-friendly price. It offers 4K video recording, 8K photo support, optical flow positioning, 3-sided obstacle avoidance, and a compact foldable design that's easy to carry and use. Review highlights. For casual flying and learning the basics of drone photography, the Z908 Pro performs surprisingly well. Optical flow stabilization improves hovering accuracy, while the foldable design makes it convenient for travel and outdoor adventures. Pros: 4K video with 8K photo capability, optical flow positioning, 3-sided obstacle avoidance, foldable and lightweight design. Excellent value for beginners. Number 4. L200 Plus GPS Drone. The L200 Plus GPS drone steps up with more advanced flight features, including GPS positioning, a 3-axis gimbal, dual cameras, laser obstacle avoidance, and brushless motors for smoother, quieter operation. Review highlights. The GPS system provides more stable flights and reliable return-to-home functionality, while the mechanical gimbal helps produce smoother video compared to entry-level drones. It's a solid choice for users looking to improve their aerial photography. Pros: GPS-assisted intelligent flight, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, brushless motors, laser obstacle avoidance, stable video recording. Number 3. Lenovo V198 Max GPS. The Lenovo V198 Max combines premium-looking features with impressive flight capabilities. It offers 8K photo support, 4K HD video, GPS positioning, brushless motors, laser obstacle avoidance, and a foldable design for easy portability. Review highlights. The V198 Max delivers stable hovering, responsive controls, and smooth aerial footage. GPS-assisted flight modes make it easier for beginners while still offering enough features to satisfy more experienced hobbyists. Pros: 8K photo and 4K video support, GPS intelligent flight, brushless motor system, foldable portable design, laser obstacle avoidance. Number 2. Lenovo X226 Mini Drone. The Lenovo X226 VR mini drone built for users who want a fun and portable flying experience. It features 4K video recording, a compact design, remote controller with an integrated display on select versions, and beginner-friendly flight controls. Review highlights. Its lightweight construction and easy controls make it perfect for first-time drone pilots. The compact size also makes it ideal for carrying on vacations, family trips, or weekend outings. Pros: compact travel-friendly design, 4K camera support, beginner-friendly controls, portable remote controller, great for recreational flying. Number 1. Lenovo XT606 GPS Drone. The Lenovo XT606 GPS drone earns the top spot thanks to its impressive combination of advanced features and overall value. It includes 4K video recording, 8K photo capability, GPS positioning, a camera gimbal, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, and intelligent flight modes. Review highlights. Among the drones in this lineup, the XT606 offers the strongest overall package for aerial photography and smooth flight performance. GPS stabilization keeps flight steady, while obstacle avoidance and the gimbal system help create more stable and cinematic footage. Pros: 4K video and 8K photo capability, GPS positioning system, camera gimbal for smoother footage, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, excellent overall value. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing camera features, flight stability, intelligent flight functions, obstacle avoidance, portability, and overall value, the Lenovo XT606 GPS drone is the best drone on AliExpress for 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and best deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.